ever wondered if the internet could be more user-centric and less controlled by a few tech giants? Currently, our digital lives revolve around centralized platforms, giving them the power to control our data, infringe on our privacy, and manipulate our online experiences. But imagine an alternate reality where you have control over your digital identity and data. This is where Web3 steps in, promising a decentralized, democratic digital universe. Web3 represents a shift towards a more decentralized, user-centric, and trustless internet infrastructure. At the heart of Web3 lies the groundbreaking blockchain technology. Imagine a public ledger, accessible to everyone yet secured by complex cryptography. Every transaction made is recorded on this ledger, making it near impossible to alter or delete data once it's been validated. This is the essence of blockchain technology, a decentralized, transparent, and immutable ledger that eliminates the need for a central authority. Now let's talk about cryptocurrencies. They're not just digital money, they're a revolution in financial transactions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others enable peer-to-peer transactions, bypassing traditional intermediaries. What's more, they're integral to the Web3 framework. They power smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps, acting as a native medium of exchange and value transfer. In the Web3 world, you're not just a user, you're a participant. You can make transactions, create contracts, and even build applications, all underpinned by blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies, powered by blockchain, form the financial backbone of the Web3 ecosystem. Web3 takes software applications to a whole new level with dApps and smart contracts. These aren't your regular applications. dApps, or decentralized applications, run on blockchain networks rather than traditional centralized servers. They exploit the transparency, security, and trustlessness of blockchain to offer a range of services, from finance to gaming and social networking. Then we have smart contracts. Imagine contracts that execute themselves without any third-party intervention. That's what smart contracts are. They are programmed with predefined rules and conditions that automatically enforce agreements when conditions are met. This automation is the cornerstone of Web3, enabling trustless transactions and a new level of efficiency. But what's the point of all these fantastic innovations if they can't communicate with each other? That's where interoperability comes into play. It's the ability of different blockchain networks to interact and exchange information seamlessly. It's like the universal translator in a science fiction movie, enabling different species, or in this case, different blockchains, to understand each other. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are working diligently to foster this cross-chain communication and compatibility to overcome the fragmentation of various blockchain networks. With dApps and smart contracts, Web3 is revolutionizing how we interact with the digital world. But it's the interoperability that's key to connecting these diverse digital landscapes, allowing them to work together, and making the full potential of Web3 a reality. With dApps and smart contracts, Web3 is revolutionizing how we interact with the digital world, and interoperability is key to connecting these diverse digital landscapes. So, what does all this mean for the future of the internet? It means we're stepping into an era where the web isn't just a tool, it's an ecosystem. A decentralized, user-centric, trustless ecosystem supported by the bedrock of blockchain technology. Through this technology, we're seeing the rise of cryptocurrencies, facilitating peer-to-peer transactions and value transfer without the need for a middleman. We're witnessing the dawn of dApps, decentralized applications that leverage the transparency, security, and trustlessness of blockchain. Smart contracts are automating transactions, making them more efficient and less prone to human error. And let's not forget the interoperability that aims to connect various blockchain networks, fostering a more unified and robust Web3 environment. In essence, Web3 is a paradigm shift, a move towards a more democratic internet where users have control. Web3 is not just the future of the internet, it's an ongoing digital revolution, shaping a more decentralized and user-centric online world.